Oh, it tastes like shite.
But you're still fucking going at Mike Perry to the point where you started, what is it? MikePerryIsABum.com.
We was chatting, me and Mike. Like, I don't know if he's being serious. There's the things we was chatting, like, in the DMs, and it was, you know, good fun. Yeah, let's have a bit of beef. And then I don't know if I took it too far because I said I was going to raw dog his girl, but he just must have took it serious. And then, like, he blocked me. I was like,
No.
He blocked me off Instagram. Do you not see on my post? I posted about it. I was like,
Oh
Mike,
my
really,
God.
you blocked me. So I made another account and I started like commenting raw dog. He blocked that account. So I made another account, raw dog. He's blocked every. I can't see his shit no more.
Just have a little wipe there. Let's flush.
Yeah. Just Daniel Cormier.
Off DC. DC can't even. He can't even fit in the cage, can he?
And one day I just was like, listen, you little fat cunt on his hands. Like, I will fucking smash your jaw clean off and then I'll raw dog your beard.
And the only request I've had on, because in my request sometimes people are like, Till, do this, do that. The only massive request I keep getting off everyone is to do raw dog condoms. No,
That goes against being a raw dog.
exactly. So I know it's mad because, like, I mentioned it to the partners. They're like, that defeats the purpose still because raw dogging is raw dogging, yeah.